How am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? So, I'm trying to get the solar panels on the roof by myself, and it's difficult. So I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. Carrying those panels up that ladder is difficult. What is the halfway point? I can't use the bonnet. Carrying up sideways. Let me try that. Let me try sideways first. Stay in the middle. Slowly. Stay in the middle. Go slowly. Stay in the middle. Go slowly. Stay in the middle. And go slowly. Okay, one on. Slowly. Okay. Down. So the one awesome thing about this is that with the new brackets, it now fits in the space on the roof. It doesn't have the extra big fat brackets pushing it off the sides. It is a beautiful day today. It's actually a beautiful day. And there's a part of me that's even thinking if there's any way that I can give myself a little square deck to sit on, because this is quite beautiful. So I'm just taking a quick lunch break. I've actually DoorDashed myself some food to my storage place, which feels a bit weird. On the directions, I literally put the white box truck behind the gate. So hopefully I can get some lunch, because I am quite dehydrated and quite hungry. So I'm going to attach them to the roof now, well, after my lunch, and then I am going to just panic, just have a lot of anxiety, because I feel so scared about having these panels on the roof. I'm so scared. I mean, they're heavy, so just the weight of them is not going to leave them flying off the roof. I don't know, I'm so scared. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 panels now attached. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour lap seal on them in order to seal them, and then tomorrow, because I'm too scared to drive on it today, I'm going to buy some connectors just to connect them all together, and then drill in the holes. But yeah, I did it. I'm nervous, but cautiously optimistic. 5 p.m. I have got all of my solar panels up. There's 2 at the front there, and then there's 2 at the back there. They are, oh, that was a bit close. They are sealed. They have lap sealant on the brackets. I wiped them with I cleaned them with some glass cleaner. So my next mission is to drill a hole through to connect the solar panels into the actual truck, and then I will have power coming in, which is kind of crazy. The end of a productive day, and now it's time to go home and just switch off for a little bit. So there you go. Okay. It's actually pulling the roof. There's no give on it. I pull these, it literally lifts the whole roof. Doesn't make me less nervous. It does. It makes me a tiny little less nervous. I'm gonna drive with these and get some more, use some more brackets on them to just reinforce everything. But I see these as being okay, as being safe. Win. That feels good. This is me driving with panels on the roof. Sorry, I just ate a cookie. So I'm quite nervous. And it's also very, very warm. I'm gonna go to Lowe's and I'm gonna drive with these roof panels on. Let's go. Let's go. Camera's probably gonna fall, but deal with that when it happens. Maybe imagine things, but the truck seems to be driving a little bit differently. I could be imagining that though. It could just be my high gun. That was these brief fouls. No injuries.
Before proceeding, release the parking brake.
No injuries. No injuries that I saw. So I gotta look outside and take a little peek on the roof, and hopefully we're all good.